Howdy y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Science with Mr. Jacobs. I'm Mr. Jacobs, this is Science, this is day 3 of 4 of our cheese ball lab. So far for this experiment, what we have been testing is to see how much energy our cheese ball and our bugle, our energy source, release, and how much energy our aluminum foil cup captures. Now, we've been rocking it at a 2-finger distance, but for this next part of the lab, we need to make a modification to it in some way, shape, or form. We can modify how the cup looks, we can modify the distance from the cup to our energy source, and I think that second one is what we're gonna go ahead and rock out in class. So, number 6 says, what's your modification? Our modification is doubling the distance between the cup and our energy source. So like I said, we've been rocking a 2-finger gap there. For today though, we're gonna go ahead and rock a 4-finger distance. So make sure that we answer number 6, that we are doubling the distance between the aluminum foil cup and our energy source. The second page has you draw out what you're doing, so please make sure that you do end up drawing that out on your paper. And then it looks like we're ready to get this tested. So we'll go ahead and add our 10 milliliters of water to the cup and we'll get our temperature. So I am gonna continue rocking this cool method so I don't splash water everywhere. We'll get our 10 milliliters of water. We'll go ahead and add that in. Yeah. We'll go ahead and snag our temperature, make sure my timer doesn't turn off on me. So we'll check the starting temperature. Looks like it's sitting at right about 15 degrees Celsius, so we're gonna go ahead and write down 15 degrees Celsius. And once we get this thing lit, we'll go ahead and get our timer started. So I got my finger ready over there. We'll light our cheese ball from the bottom. We always light our energy sources from the bottom, so that way we get a nice burn on everything and it doesn't just end up creeping on one side like we got it creeping up on this side. So we'll just go ahead and make sure that we get the whole thing lit. There we go. And then we let it burn. I'm gonna swing around so I can kind of give us some updates on that temperature. Looks like my temperature is rising. Looks like we're up to about 20 degrees Celsius. It's continuing to rise up. We're getting up to about 25 degrees Celsius. We can see that soot coming off of our aluminum foil from the fire touching it. Looks like we got up to about 30 degrees Celsius. We'll go ahead and hit stop. So our ending temperature is going to end up being 30 degrees Celsius. We check our time. It says that it was 47 seconds, 0.87. That gives us a change in temperature of 15 degrees. You have a couple more questions. Go ahead and answer on your own. Do not worry about the third page. You would need to be in class for that one. So rock on, guys.